Okay, so we're going to do lesson number 1, the chain stitch. And the chain stitch starts off with a slip knot right here, and then from there we begin to crochet a chain of 13. We're going to do 13 because the last chain, which is the 13th chain, is actually going to curve up and then begin the single chain stitch. So let's go ahead and start with our chain stitch of 13. We get our string. I'm going to head and do our slip knot. Again, I prefer to do the slip knot this way, where I cross over, come in, pull it out, and then put my finger there, tighten it up. Okay? Then I can just simply pull the tie string this way. Remember that with the slip knot there are several ways of doing it, but this is one of the ways I like it. Now this finger is nice, you know, you're going to hold your crochet hook this way. This finger is nice because it helps hook this in. Now you can look at some videos as to how you want to hold your yarn. I kind of learned this way. You go over the pinky twice, wrap around, and then the nice thing is that I can use these two fingers to hold the stitch, and then this one to keep pulling on the cord below, and my pinky is like the tension. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to hold it here. I don't want to have this here too much. I want to kind of hold this here, go yarn over, that's abbreviation YO, yarn over, and you don't want to confuse it. You don't want to go one way this way and then one way this way, so always keep it the same. So yarn over, turn the hook through the hole. Okay, one more time. Yarn over, turn through the hole. That's stitch 1. Alright, 2. Don't make it too tight. 3, 4, 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and then this 13th stitch right here, 13. Yeah, and if we count our stitches, we would count them this way, right? We don't count this stitch. We don't count this stitch. We start counting it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see like that little V. Okay, this is the front, this is the back. You can see it's kind of different. This is the face, and these are where you're going to start counting.